Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today, we will be going over how to remove applications that you've installed on your Windows computer. Now, just for this demonstration, I've installed the Brave browser. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys where it is in my program files. It's Brave software right here and has the Brave browser folder within it. So first, we have to go to Settings, and then you go to Apps. And now it doesn't matter how you install it, like from the App Store or from a standalone package. It'll be inside this list now. And as you can see, I can select Brave, and then all you have to do is uninstall. What's really nice is it tells you its version number right here and when you installed it. So we'll go ahead and do uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. I had to accept the uninstall. We'll go ahead and do that. And it went ahead and removed it. I can close this out now. And as you can see, it has indeed removed the files from the computer. Although it looks like, and this does happen sometimes if the uninstaller doesn't access everything, but as you can see, it did leave a folder behind in my x86 program files versus my 64-bit program files. All you have to do is delete it. And just like that, it's been uninstalled. Now, for the most part, you're not going to have to double check inside your program files. It will clear out enough that it won't be bothersome. Like, it'll only take up a megabyte or two of space of what it left behind. It usually leaves behind like profile information. Nothing that needs to be worried about. Now, I do believe that is the end of our tutorial for today. Let us know down in the comments which you would like us to do a tutorial over next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.